Morning, morning, morning. Frankie. What you got today? Jude Bellingham. Nice. I've got a full shirt. Well, I haven't got a full one on. I've got all blue.
Like your bedroom.
Cool, we've had a few days off, haven't we? Gonna be tough today.
Oh, yeah.
Come in, boy. What time you got to be back? 10. Yeah, you're getting your hair cut. Yeah.
Slick hair.
What are you doing today, mate? Cleaning your bedroom out?
I've just done it all.
Oh yeah, carpet's going in.
Massive day today for us here.
Nice.
First bit of carpet being laid.
Be nice and cosy in there tonight. Yeah, sit.
Gonna be nice. Jim,
Right.
where are you off to now then? That park?
Yes.
I can't do what Calvin can do. I've got no hair. He can go this, but I've done.
That'd be the little, he'd be like, yeah, can I grow it long?
You're getting it cut in a minute.
I'll get tattooed.
Phil Foden. Let's go then.
Have fun.
Cool, look at the attire today. We've got Jude Bellingham on the top
Chelsea.
with a Chelsea jacket and referee socks.
Well, look at you. Look at you.
Well, I'm not looking at me.
Look at. Turn the camera around.
Full kit, they call it.
What do you bend them on the back?
Show us then. What day are we on?
Day 6 of Frank's football career.
Day 6 of Frank's football career. Need 4 cones out, please. We're going to do a good warm-up.
Make a square, make a square.
Oh, he's done himself. Practicing some breathing exercises, so it's so important to breathe.
If before a game, if you don't breathe in
Yeah.
and then breathe out, you're going to be done, basically.
Yeah, so you've just done your warm-up and then you go straight into the game. You need to get your breaths back in because obviously you've just done a warm-up before the game. So I'm going to call it the 3 little pigs, yeah? So hands behind your head. Right, breathe right in. So what do you want your belly to do?
You want your belly to breathe in.
To go all skinny. So breathe in as much as you can. That's it, right, and then breathe out. Right, so you're like the wolf on the 3 little pigs trying to blow his house down. Yeah? Just imagine every time you do it, you want to blow that pig's house down. Right, in. Go on then. Go on then. Jesus Christ, you just blew his house down. Did you blow the pig's house down?
Yeah.
Okay, right, we're ready to go. What's up, mate?
You.
Why? What have I done?
You shattered my leg.
Yeah, no, but you right. So you said don't go easy on me.
Yeah, it doesn't mean try to kill me.
So I just put in a big challenge.
We were playing a match, best of 5.
First to 5 with these little goals. So we got a little square.
5-3, and then when I had a 4th goal,
Yeah.
and when I was going to get my 5th, he slide tackled me, and look what he just did to my leg.
It was a fair challenge, bro.
It wasn't.
We've got our tape for our goal today. So Frank is compromising. We had some frog tape in the van.
Yeah.
Frank's taping the goal up with that. Look. Before we do our shooting exercise, Frank is going to score a wonder goal.
Maybe more than one.
Maybe more than one wonder goal. Jeez. Yes, get in there. Cristiano Ronaldo. Who does he play for?
Play football now, but I'm not a Ronaldo fanboy. I'm Messi.
You're a Messi fanboy, but you can still score free kicks like Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Right, what does he do before he runs up to the ball?
He goes like this with him.
Yeah!
Come on. Here we go, Calvin Leslie.
Calvin Leslie, left back. Right knee, left knee, volley.
Okay.
Right knee, left knee. Oh! He's only killed a pigeon. What are you upset about, bruv?
I just said to Calvin, imagine I scored top bins and he didn't get it on camera. I just scored top bins.
It was literally right in the top bit. Right, here we go. Oh! They think it's all over. It is now. He buries it in. Jude Bellingham. Oh, sick.
100 EUs can't fit on SUV like SOS. Somebody come rescue me. I got too many mama. Last movement end next 2 weeks. Alright.
Steps up. Oh! I don't know, you need to work on them celebrations.